the project was situated right in the middle of a residential cluster where you simply didn't have any breathing space. There was literally no setbacks. And the road was also in front, which was very narrow. It was very difficult for me to think that, okay, somebody could live again inside a box. So we had to devise a method where, like it opens up. The client is a scientist from ISRO. So young couple, and they wanted to have a residence in Trivandrum. My basic concept was that the courtyard is necessary because I cannot look to anywhere outside, not even to the front. And wind flow was very mandatory for me, so I wanted the wind flow to go like that. So thinking about that, I thought, okay, maybe if the build, even if my courtyard starts as a basic square courtyard, there is a chance that I can make a diamond out of it. So slowly the thought process happened where, okay, if the volume goes up bigger like this, which we all know that the diamond is bigger than the square inscribed in it. So I thought, okay, if the wall slowly project out, slowly they project out with the help of the previous course. So one thing leads to another thing. If I do this for one wall, so definitely it needs to have something to stand upon. So I had to do something like that in this particular wall. So that was how it decided. And then of course this particular wall which is projecting like this, it also needs some support. So this is somewhat how I did the basic project. And then in the second floor, what happens is, I got my volume, now let it all come back, because I cannot give these curves and all for roofing because I do ferrocement shells, which are these wafer thin structures named after M.M. Thomas, So these wafer thin structures need a very parallel wall, for that to stay. So eventually these curves return back to its original position, which is what is happening here. And then I decided that I will also make sure that none of these spaces are kind of, occupied. At least they will have a huge yard, a space to talk, space to sit, and all those things will have. As I said before, that I wanted to increase the spatial feeling of certain spaces. For example, in the kitchen and all, that space which came helped me to make a pantry table, of this kind of size. And in the bedroom also, I got something like a nice study table with nice natural light falling from the top. The courtyard's volume increase would generate a lot of ventilation and light in it. So individually, it is not like, okay, I did the sculpture and then thought about the function. No, I thought about the function first and then did something like this. That is how it happened.